Hi, my name is Victorine. Today I want to talk about a work from home opportunity for moms and for beginners and affiliate marketers. If you are watching this video, then you may be somebody who is looking for an opportunity to work from home so you can stay with your kids and make some money. This is an opportunity that has been helping lots of people to stay home with their family, especially young children or beginners or affiliate marketers, and generate good income. If you need more information, you can click on the link below and we can share. It will be able to walk you through what I'm talking about. As I said, this opportunity is for women, beginners and affiliate marketers who are looking to stay home with their families and work from home. So if you need more information, click on the link below and we can share with you more information. Thank you for coming to this channel. Until next time, bye for now.